I'm gonna see if I can make my way down Snickers to the water here, as long as it's not too wet. Just brought my running shoes today. I got a good pair of hiking boots at home. I gotta work them in yet. Well, if I go close to the water, Snickers says that's my cue. I'm going in. Look at that tree. It's really branched out. I don't know if you can see it because of the sun. I'll come behind it and see if I can get a better picture of it. I don't know if that's a bunch of them growing together or if it's one main tree. Well, we better head back up in the higher ground where we can stay dry. Come on, Snickers. I guess I don't need to talk to you. You do what you want anyways, right, Snickers? Look at the big old mushrooms on that tree there. New ones coming out. It's an old tree. It's beautiful out here. Couldn't get any better this time of year. We waited a long time for it, but been a nice day. I'd like to travel the world and just explore, not really go to any, tourist attractions, but mostly just to check out the land. Well, we're gonna head back up. Come on, Snickers, we'll head back up. If you want to stay down and have a swim, I understand. There's a nice tree with some white leaves on them. I don't know if that's kind of nice. Not sure if that's an apple tree or seems a little early, but I could be wrong. I'm no expert. I found out in life you can't be, well, myself anyways, I can speak for myself. I can't be an expert in a lot of things. I know a little bit about this, I know a little bit about that. For the most part, I don't know much. But one thing I do know is that nature is good in many ways. How could what God created not be good? But we're not seeing the full story here. There's a lot of decay here because of us humans. I'll be back with more. Thank you for coming. This is Not Much Time 33. There's Shadow Dog. She's waiting for me. I'll be back.